Mastering matching exercises in English. Hello there, language learners. Welcome to our English learning channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into matching exercises and how they can help enhance your understanding of formal and informal writing styles. You might come across these exercises in your quizzes and tests, and mastering them can be a real boost to your English skills. So, let's get started. Matching exercises are a common part of language assessments. They usually involve 2 columns of words, phrases, or sentences, and your job is to match items from one column to the corresponding items in the other column. In the context of formal and informal writing styles, these exercises can help you to differentiate between the two, recognizing the unique features of each. Step 1. Read all options carefully. Always start by reading through all the options in both columns. This will give you a clear idea of what you're working with. Step 2. Identify easy matches. Look for pairs that you can easily match, such as those you are certain about. Step 3. Make educated guesses. For more challenging pairs, use context and your understanding of the language to make educated guesses. Step 4. Review your matches. Always review your answers to ensure they make sense in the context given. Let's practice with an example. Let's say you have 2 columns, one with formal phrases and one with informal equivalents. Column A, formal. Column B, informal. 1. I am of the opinion that A. I think to. At your earliest convenience. B. When you can. 3. With regard to C. About. By using the steps we've discussed, you can match these effectively. The result would be 1A, 2B, 3C. While tackling matching exercises, remember these strategies. 1. Don't rush. Take your time to understand the context before making your matches. 2. Use your knowledge. Apply your understanding of formal and informal English to guide you. 3. Practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the better you'll get. So, make sure to regularly do exercises on this topic. And that's a wrap for today's video. We've learned all about matching exercises, from what they are to effective strategies for solving them. I hope this will be a valuable tool in your journey to mastering formal and informal writing styles in English. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.